Welcome to Walk On Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real. Alkaline and Squash are still, well, we can't even say Alkaline and Squash. Alkaline and the Six are still warring. Both Alkaline and Squash have come up with several diss tracks for each other. And may I say, this gives us a little nostalgia of back in the day when Movado and Vybz Kartel was warring and had that big major clash on Sting.
Listen to me, Baba. Talking farmer. Don't buy out the blood clot argument. Talk. Can you come on here and talk about it? My people here from Monopus. Talk. Don't come too near enough. How are you? Mamba. Look. Jazalik. Talk. Mama, don't come too near. Jazalik from my gossip. If you know Jazalik, gossip. Gossip. The blood clot. This man is going to get gunshot. I ain't going to get gunshot.
So, let's think about it. Are we gonna have a Sting this year? Probably not, but I enjoy this because we need some drama, safe drama in dancehall. Shotgun Records is becoming one of the most known producers of this year, at least. He has came up with a new rhythm called Sexperience, and it has a plethora of artists. But you know what the best part about this is? It's a bunch of y'all. Yeah, I had to do a little head bobbing because it's all females on this rhythm, and it's new females, old females, current females, everybody. Well, not everybody, but a lot of females is on this rhythm, including Stardoll, Gold Digger, Dovey Magnum, Renee 630, Stylish, Bad Gal Jade, and so much. Speaking of Dovey Magnum and Gold Digger, they have linked up together in this past week with it seems like a video shoot. It may be a video shoot for their song on this rhythm. This year's Red Bull Culture Class will be taking place in the one and only Jamaica.
4 crews, 4 stages, 1 winner! Red Bull Culture Clash is coming to Jamaica November 2nd at the National Arena. You have to get there!
Yes, it is. As you know, last year Jamaica took the crown. Yeah, man. And they did their thing. This year it will be in Jamaica. But as we know, Jamaica has a policy against cussing, bad word. So how would this affect the culture class this year? We all know the state of dancehall culture is in the hands of the government at this. Andrew Holness actually came to the forefront and stated a couple of comments in regards of the dancehall culture. Check this out.
It would never be the intention of government to in any way stifle the culture which is necessary for the development of our people. We hear the cries of the entertainment community. We hear the cries of the dancehall community. We hear the cries of the artists, the entertainers, the sound system operators. We hear. But as the society evolves, as the society grows and develops,
while some may feel like it has not made any progression as of yet, but Ramesh is taking the necessary steps by meeting with government officials about the state of dancehall, and he had posted this on Instagram. But that is it for Walk On Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.